Hello guys, today I am going to solve the Pyraminx and teach you how to do it. So first we will give it a good scramble. So now when it is scrambled, let's start solving it. So first we will solve one corner piece. So to solve the corner piece we have to align it with all the correct edge pieces. So here it is green, so we will align it with the green face and all the corners get solved. So we have to look at this corner and find out which color is not here. So here it is red, green and yellow. So blue is not here. So we will face it down and look at the opposite side. This will be the blue side. So we have to solve all the corner pieces first. So here it is blue edge piece. So we will solve it. Here it is red. So we will solve it with the corner. Here it is green. So we will solve it with green. Now we will bring all the center pieces like here and then like this. So now we will have to solve all the blue edge pieces remaining like this. I have yellow, blue. So now we have to solve this by this. Like we have to make the blue face away from us and then solve it like this. Now the green blue piece is here, so we will first take it out like by doing this and then solve it like the others. And now we will get this pattern. So we have to put the blue at the side and then solve one of these sides. Like here I want to solve the red side, so we will do this algorithm. First we will again fix the edge pieces just like how we did with the blue. Make the red face away from us and then solve it. Then again make the red face away from us and then solve it. And now all the colors will have been solved, and this is how you solve a Pyraminx. Thank you for